welcome here in my busy little shop. It's taken me a while to get my flag hung up here. I had to find one that I really liked. And let me finish this and then I'll get right back to you. Once more, you're welcome here in my busy little shop. Today I wanted to do just a short video of hanging my American flag up. Why would I hang the American flag up? I am proud to be an American. I'm proud of our country. I'm not proud of everything that's ever happened here or everything that will happen here, but I have the flag out of pride of my country, and I hope that if America is not your country, that your flag for your country makes you proud as well. Anyway, you're always welcome here in my little shop.